ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂ.ವಿ. ತುಪ್ಚಿ, HOD ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, SJPN ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, ನಿಡ್ಸೋಶಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್. Unit 1 Introduction to Semiconductor Devices. Now we are discussing about the question bank questions along with answers. Question number 25. Explain the effect of temperature on barrier voltage in PN junction diode. A potential difference across the depletion layer is called barrier potential VB. The typical barrier potential for germanium VB equal to 0.3 volt and silicon the barrier potential is 0.7 volt. The barrier voltage of a junction depends upon the doping density, electronic charge and temperature. For a given PN junction, density and electronic charge are constant. Hence, barrier voltage VP decreases by 2 millivolt per degree centigrade. Mathematically, the decrease in barrier voltage is given by delta VB equal to minus 0.002 volt into delta T, where VB is small change in barrier voltage and delta T is change in temperature in degree centigrade. Question number 26. Describe the effect of temperature on reverse saturation current in PN junction. The figure shows the VI characteristics of diode with respect to temperature. Now we are discussing about the effect of temperature on reverse saturation current in PN junction. The current that exists under PN junction diode in reverse bias condition is called reverse saturation current. It depends upon the junction temperature. The variation in temperature causes the change in behavior of diodes. Temperature can have remarkable effect on the VI characteristics of a diode. It has been experimentally found that the reverse saturation current will just about double in magnitude for every 10 degree centigrade increase in temperature. The temperature increases, number of charge carriers under reverse bias. Figure shows the effect of temperature on VI characteristics of PN junction diode. Question number 26. Describe how dopants can increase the current conduction in semiconductors. The conduction of semiconductors is increased by adding an appropriate amount of suitable impurity or doping. Doping can be done with an impurity which is electron rich or electron deficient as compared to the intrinsic semiconductor, silicon or germanium. Such impurities introduce electronic defects in them. When silicon is doped with electron rich impurities, the extra electron becomes delocalized. These delocalized electrons increase the conductivity of doped silicon due to negatively charged electron. Hence, silicon doped with electron rich impurity is called N-type semiconductor, while electron defect impurities increase the conductivity through positive holes. Question number 27. Define doping. Explain the energy band diagram of a p-type semiconductor. Now we are discussing about the definition of doping. The process of adding impurities to a semiconductor is known as doping. The figure shows the energy band diagram of a p-type semiconductor. The addition of trivalent impurity has produced a large number of holes. However, there are a few conduction band electrons due to thermal energy associated with room temperature. But the holes far outer number of conduction band electrons. It is due to predominance of holes over free electrons that is called as p-type semiconductor. P-type semiconductor also known as acceptor type semiconductor because its impurity atom accepts one electron from neighboring semiconductor atom. In p-type semiconductor, holes are the majority charge carriers and electrons are the minority charge carriers. Thank you.